Well, do you recognize this woman? Take a good look. Several homeowners in Denver are hoping that you do can help police track her down. She was caught on camera trying to break into 2 homes and actually got into one while a family was asleep. Look at that picture. CBS 4's Karen Morfitt in that neighborhood Forest night. And Karen, these families don't feel safe tonight.
Yeah, Karen, and that's for a number of reasons. One, because of the effort that she put in to get into that one home, and because she was caught on camera 2 nights in a row and she was armed.
Imagine waking up in the middle of the night to find someone is inside your home, then learning it was this knife-wielding woman.
I heard my back door open, and I slowly came to.
On Thursday, she showed up to Denver's Rosedale neighborhood.
Knowing my kid was down there, I got to get down there, so I ran down the stairs and yelled, "Is there anybody there?" As I ran down the stairs, and I saw a lady running out my living room, out the front door.
Their home was likely her last stop.
That's what brought it to my attention in the first place.
It was David Harbaugh's doorbell camera that captured video of who police believe is the same woman.
I checked my Ring app hoping that maybe I'd gotten a video of her walking by or something, and instead found a nice video of her trying to actually get into my door.
The very next night, another neighbor several houses down captured this frightening video. It's clearly the same woman, this time waving a large knife directly in front of the camera.
It's very scary that she came back to the same street the next night.
His was the only home she entered, first rummaging through their garage, then moving inside through their back door, leaving with his wife's wedding and engagement ring, holding his grandmother's diamond. While all of it is valuable to his family, by far their greatest loss is the feeling of comfort and safety in their own home.
Almost a week later, it's hard to sleep at night. We feel like we've been violated as a family.
Now, that family is hoping that someone may recognize that ring, maybe for sale at a pawn shop or online. And police are urging anyone with information about who that woman is to give them a call. You can also call Metro Denver Crime Stoppers, where you can leave an anonymous tip and possibly earn up to $2,000 in a reward. We have all the information on how to do that online at cbsdenver.com. For now, we're live in Denver. Karen Morfitt covering Colorado First.
Thank you, Karen.